Gives a f anyway. It's just material shit. Who can wow? Is she f***ing stuff from Walmart? Woo-hoo!
Amber McCann is having a complete meltdown in the back of this patrol car. Her anger is the result of a shoplifting game that failed miserably. To see how she lost control of the situation, we go to the parking lot where the first interaction began.
Is this your car over here?
No.
All right, would you come over here with me?
Where?
Over in this lane.
For what?
So, we're doing an investigation right now. Apparently somebody walked out with a
Car, put it in a random car?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was me.
Okay, would you come over by the car with us?
Whose car is it?
What do you mean?
Whose car is it?
I don't know.
Me neither.
Okay. All right. So where's all your stuff you took out of the store and
I put it in a random car that was open.
In a random car that was open?
Yeah.
For what?
What do you mean for what? Because y'all was coming.
Okay, so you just put all the stuff in a random car you didn't know?
Yeah, it's a game I was playing.
Okay.
Yeah.
What for?
Just for the hell of it.
Okay. You got any ID on you?
No.
All right.
I left it in the car.
Which car?
The random car. I don't know what car it was.
What color was it?
Silver?
Silver?
Gray? Something like that?
So you left your ID in some random car?
Yeah. My whole bag. All my
Amber claims the car is random to create legal distance. If she does not own the vehicle, she believes she cannot be blamed for the illegal items hidden inside. This strategy is meant to block a search before it even starts.
All right, makes sense.
What kind of bag do you have? What kind of purse is it?
I think it's a Michael Kors. Can you please not stand behind me? Because you're making me nervous.
That's the whole time.
Where you were?
Yeah, he's in the car.
Well, I'll be damned. What was your question?
What kind of purse did you have?
It's a Michael Kors purse. Can you go get it for me?
Okay.
What kind of vehicle were you driving?
It's like gray or silver or something.
What kind of make? Model?
I don't know.
You have no idea what kind of car you were
No,
driving?
because y'all were coming and I just ran up to the car and put it on. It's a game that we play. It's called 21. It's basically like you go and steal all the and then you get out without getting caught.
So
well, I did it one other time than this time, but I got caught this time. So now I got to figure out where my purse is and where my merchandise is because now I got to give all the merchandise back to Walmart.
Wait, what is she even saying? Stealing is a game to her? She calls it 21. Amber treats a major crime like a playground activity. This is not a hobby. It is a felony, and she is about to find out the police do not play.
Well, it's not really a game.
Yeah,
It is a game.
It's theft.
To you, that's theft.
It's fun too. It's really fun.
Oh, going to jail is fun. Okay.
Well, I suppose. Am I going to jail?
Well, we'll see how much stuff you took.
It's a lot of
It's
But
your
my
boyfriend's
boyfriend
car?
doesn't know that I steal.
Okay.
And he doesn't know that I put all the in the car neither.
Okay.
So I would be really in trouble with him, but that's the
So
thing.
what kind of car is it?
I don't remember because it's a rental.
What color?
We just got the rental car. What
I
color?
thought you said it was someone random's car.
Yeah, I know. I lied to you. Yeah, that's my boyfriend's car. He rented the car, and he was shopping, and I had found all the I wanted because they told me to play 21, and my boyfriend's older than me, so he doesn't play that. And I started playing the game. This is my first time playing the game, and I put the in the back of the car, and I saw you guys coming, so I walked off.
Right now, I need to figure out how much dollar value you stole from Walmart.
Probably a lot, because I took a lot of
Okay.
So basically, you got to put everything in the cart and ring it up and find out the value of it, and then
Yep.
what's the next move?
And then depending on the dollar amount, is if you go to jail or not.
Well, I'm pretty sure I'm going to go to jail because it's a lot of
We good?
Yep.
Oh wow, it just fell out. Look at there.
Gives a anyway. It's just material Who can wow? Is she stuff from Walmart? Woo-hoo! Roll the window down. It's hot.
I was told to roll them.
Oh, well, can you take this off of me? Oh my God!
Oh, there we go.
There we go.
Well, that's interesting.
Yep.
Interesting.
Glass
Nice.
pipes.
Oh, nice.
And then, if I had to guess,
Grinder.
no,
Okay.
we got white crystals.
Hey.
We got white crystals, gold pipe, and a safe.
Let me see.
2. That's what?
Amber McCann is facing a massive list of charges, including grand theft, possession of marijuana, and the heaviest of all, trafficking in methamphetamine. Finding 62 grams of high-grade methamphetamine is a life changer. In the state of Florida, this amount carries a mandatory minimum prison sentence that can last decades. But the most interesting part of this case is not the drugs, it is the safe full of silver and platinum bars. From a legal and tactical perspective, traffickers often carry precious metals because they are the untraceable currency of the underground. Unlike cash, which can be easily seized and counted through civil asset forfeiture, silver and platinum are harder for the government to track and freeze instantly. Amber was not just a shoplifter, she was a mobile treasury. Psychologically, her behavior is a fascinating look at high-functioning denial. She created Game 21 to convince herself that her actions were harmless fun. This allowed her to manage the extreme stress of transporting a heavy supply of narcotics. She was so blinded by her own ego that she forgot the most basic rule of crime: do not draw attention to yourself. She risked a 20-year prison sentence for a few $100s of groceries while carrying a fortune in her trunk. This leads to a big question for all of you. Do you think Amber is a professional criminal who finally got unlucky? Or is she someone whose own addiction destroyed her ability to think clearly? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you appreciate this deep dive into the criminal mind, please subscribe to Blue Line Raw and hit that like button. Your support helps us keep bringing you the raw truth from the streets. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day and stay safe.